Hello and welcome to the 13th tutorial in the JavaScript series, and today we're going to look at operators. This tutorial seems you've done tutorial 2. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description to the source code, and as usual there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced from this tutorial. So what are operators? They basically allow you to perform some sort of function on values, and we're going to look at some mathematical operators and non-mathematical operators. So if you just open up a text editor, just click open, go to JavaScript, just open up your files. When I said non-mathematical and mathematical, they'll be the same operators, but the actual functionality they'll perform will be slightly different. So for example, technically we've already been using one operator. Sorry about that, just Facebook. If we do var x equals 9, that right there is an operator. It's the assignment operator. It's saying x now equals 9. It's assigning the value of 9 to x. Another operator is, this is useful for maths, you can do x++, which is an increment operator, which basically is the equivalent of saying x equals x plus 1. It basically adds 1 to x. Likewise, you probably guessed it, you can do minus minus, so x will be 8. I'm actually just going to print these values so you can actually see them working. Let's type in x, open up a page in the web browser. So we've got 8 printed, and if we just put in ++, and we'll have 10 in the alert. Also, another one you can do x plus equals, this is it's almost the same as x++, but you can specify how much you want to add by, so I can put 10. So now it'll be 19. So you can increment it, but instead of just by 1, you can do it by how many you want. You can put a divide, you can put a multiplication, you can put a minus. So that is pretty darn cool. The other operators you've got are just the standard ones, like x equals 8 plus 9. That will print out 17. Print out it's 17. You've also got the multiplication operator as well. You've got the minus operator, and you've got the division operator. But it's not just useful for maths related stuff. What you can do is you can use it for strings. So if I just put in hello space, so I put in var y equals world. And what I can do is I can literally add these together, so I can have a new variable called z, var z equals x plus y, and if I print out z, refresh, we've got hello world. So basically we have added 2 strings together, which the term is concatenation. So that's pretty cool. So those are some basic operators which you more than likely will use throughout your general development with JavaScript and other languages as well. Most of these are relevant to other programming languages. In the next tutorial we're going to look at the maths object. It is a built-in maths object, and it has some really cool functionality like square root and pi and whatnot. If you have any questions, feel free to message us. All the required links for the source code will be in the description, and as usual, thanks for watching.